Naka.
Cuma nama tengah ni kuat.
VTFM Ouch Palangi, K-Punches, new cream biscuits, so creamy with every bite.
Ya benar kami kita pakai bikin naturang nama ramad dorong ngon leo ni ada benar rone nonda aus palangi show. Era matang ni singa lo tu lewe ndai.
Well, good morning to you all, to all the bus drivers, all the van drivers, all the taxi drivers.
Alright.
Thank you so much for tuning in this morning and taking all the
Opportunity.
people in Fiji
Alright.
to the place where they belong this morning. Some of them they are going to school. Some of them they are going to walk.
Right.
Some of them they just want to bus ride, van ride,
Right.
taxi ride this morning.
Alright.
Because what? Because the children is crying.
Right.
Want to go with dad to walk.
Iya.
You know, tangi murita, eh?
Iya, tangi murita.
It's iyo.
In English tangi murita.
Cry back, daddy. In this morning, and all the now want to go to.
Yeah.
So they just ask them,
Yeah.
hey, can you just take the
Penguin.
small kids?
Milken.
The small kids today go out to the park.
Alright.
Well, good morning to Melanie at the level. Isa, blessed Thursday.
Iya.
Likewise, Serai yang bakin di Lenangia. And Vuningay Kulatiko.
Right.
Simon and Banube.
We don't want to see your phone.
Isa. Oh. I was, iyo.
Iya.
Terdepan telah bertona geng na Fleet 64.
Right.
Na buning garabita bi main sa pangaran matang di kuat.
Ling ni lawan.
Yo Etonia,
Aha.
Kartik veta veta kina norton driver Marida.
Iya.
Sen norton driver Marida.
Iya.
Kay dotal ngana pon ni bina kami brother Joe.
Right.
Ada siya brother Joe Korda. Era matang di kuat na Fleet 64.
Vamos talaga binunggu yada. Mika Ronald.
Iya.
Siya masar cukup mai tombu mai ra.
Iya.
Arna ra matakali bina bali besar ni siya tumai. Oh nunggu yada ngo.
Iya.
Kita durin beri mata mai natobi.
Iya.
Gose sembar ni Saint Vincent's College siya natobi junior.
Iya.
Oko ninto modi bango nambongi.
Iya.
Ko sinira ni ndaba ngame modi.
Iyo.
Ada mana?
Oko na ya bala balutu. Na roll
Kami sutu na wang.
Iya sutu na wang kabana. Kuna reni wango na tuna mo niya babalu.
Suwa na ibode.
Iya mbala tango na ni ndau. Ubaka modiro ka bona ni kaya.
Ya meke.
Ya meke.
Oh, sama tau chubwa.
Sama tau ba.
Right.
Ama tanga sama form 3 form 4.
Iya.
Oko se wibu kia ki ngabango.
Sajid.
Gora binaka.
Iya.
Kono wekan darun tambi chingo.
Iya.
Ibu no lewe.
Iya.
Okay, warin tau ni sage itu lutsar na mo sage minta penolongan.
Oi. Kaya kawaray.
Okay, ni baka mode.
Iya.
Kome sanga chume apa bala.
Iya.
Okay, ra toke rui del ni bunikau.
Dala mo kabelo to.
Iya. Gimana mana nonton Italo no?
They all know.
Di bere ana bere kami obi sama sa chume na lomani loda.
Right.
Na way manu flame tree.
Mai.
Ana matari ko. Ndre matagi loda tu. Blast to the
Something
BTFM
now.
na lomani loda.
Hey, the load is very big sound, eh?
Iya.
But this one maybe
Headset.
headset. Headset.
Obi
Iya.
text.
I thought 200 plus the volume speaker.
No.
Iya.
Merolebu.
Yeah, we all know that there's a drunken master.
Iya.
But today, I
Yeah.
can tell you too,
Yeah.
and tell all the viewers here in the VFM Facebook Live and the listeners,
Right.
that there was a drunken monkey.
Oh, Dragon Monkey.
A drunken monkey.
Alright.
And one day they about all the animals they about to leave for the meeting.
Alright.
Yeah.
When before they leave for
No,
the meeting,
general meeting.
AGM.
Alright.
And one of the daddy monkey
Yeah.
said the junior monkey
Iya.
don't go
Oi.
because the junior monkey
Yeah.
too much tripping
Yeah.
because
Something
of
wrong with the head.
Something wrong with the head.
Oi.
Like you nga Mikael Kalambula.
No.
Something wrong here.
Yeah.
The head.
Yeah.
And they said don't take him
Yeah.
because he can ashame us there.
Oh, in the meeting.
In the meeting.
Okay.
So when they were talking, gossiping about this junior monkey,
Yeah.
and same time,
Yeah.
one junior lizard,
Oi.
Dan dali moko.
Namoko, one junior lizard,
Iya.
Kachimongi.
Kachimonge,
Yeah.
he was listening and he got this mercy in the heart.
Oi.
Lomani mi junior monkey oka.
Junior monkey,
Got the testament.
because junior monkey's birthday that day.
Oi.
And Junior Monkey was planning to go because there they got a grog at the meeting
Right.
and
Chow.
and
Right.
some of the thing,
Yeah.
the was
More
and
celebration.
everything. More celebration.
Right.
And the Junior Monkey was sleeping.
Yeah.
And after that, they all vanished, left. Poof.
Yeah.
Same time,
Yeah.
the junior lizard came.
Yeah.
Came and wake
Sa mga data kibig junior man kini sa sinlako. Raraw ko
Yeah.
Ay sa.
And he just wake up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the junior monkey wake up and they tell him that you will not go.
Yeah.
Because
Today somebody.
because you too much tripping.
Oh, okay.
Because you small and you put a lot of thing inside your mouth
Yeah.
that to contribute your tripping in your head.
Right,
Oi.
right.
And he said, okay. He was very lonely and he was very angry.
Sad, eh?
No, very sad. Yeah, not
Yeah.
angry, sad. Eh?
Yeah.
Feel sad. And he was asleep again. And the lizard came.
Kakele sa vida la chiwa.
Yeah, with the latch. Upside down and
Yeah.
backward and yeah. And then the junior lizard came and he said to wake him up.
Alright.
Hey, don't very sad.
Friend.
Wake up, my friend.
Yeah.
And he said, oh, lizard,
Yeah.
how are you? No, I had them gossiping about you and myself because today is your birthday.
Yeah.
So I don't want to let you alone here.
Right.
Yeah.
Because if you will be alone here,
Yeah.
you'll do lot of stupid things.
Right.
Di na Sara.
Because you alone.
Yeah.
And plus,
Yeah.
you got that tripping in your mind.
Yeah.
So
Di
I
ko
don't
na
know.
birthday, sige bibi.
Today is your birthday. Singa Bimbi
Yeah.
will clap because the rain is about to fall.
Right.
We'll happy.
Yeah.
Don't
We'll
party.
enjoy. We'll party your birthday.
It was
today.
sunny day, but the rain will come, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is today we'll party.
Yeah.
And after that,
Yeah.
you two,
Yeah.
Yeah.
monkey,
Yeah.
junior monkey. You two,
Yeah.
what you bring for me?
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
all the drinks you want
Yeah.
is there.
Ko
And
to
the
ta
food.
na ulo na nagabobo ka na nguno.
Drunken monkey.
Yeah.
Same time, he was jumping all over,
Yeah.
running around, and the lizard said, "Don't run around,
Yeah.
because you're not yet tripping. Sit down, sit down." And after that, okay, we go to a place that can memorable to us. We can't never forget.
Right.
So they went to the lake.
Yeah.
Beside that lake,
Yeah.
one coconut tree,
Tall one.
tall one, was there.
Halagi kal mata di singa ko mesa
Yes,
so ko mo buru-buru na keneri rai.
Right.
Mati roloma.
Bakit lama?
Agay rolang tu na happy birthday sa.
Hey!
Yeah.
And they were there.
Yeah.
And they will start drinking. The time they start drinking, start from 1 bottle, 2 bottle, 3 bottle.
Hot stuff.
Hot stuff. Hot stuff.
Yo really na mangi.
And the monkey,
Yeah.
the junior monkey,
Yeah.
too much koto eh? Because he can drink.
Yeah.
Drink. After that,
Yeah.
same time.
Padalingan.
Drink. Same time. After that, the lizard saw Mr. Crocodile was inside the lake.
Yeah.
Never went to the meeting.
Oi.
And he was in hunger.
All right.
Starving, want to eat.
Yeah.
Hungry.
Right.
And same time when the lizard saw, same time,
Yeah.
he forget to tell the monkey.
Yeah.
And he step. Dodge the thing and climb over to the
Coconut tree.
Yeah.
When he was far away from the tall tree,
Yeah.
and he
May
called
takisara.
out, may takisara.
Yeah.
And he called out to the monkey.
Yeah.
And you know what?
Yeah.
The lizard is small.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Her voice his voice is like echo.
Yeah.
Echo, and the monkey.
Because it's far.
Far. Monkey!
Yeah.
Monkey!
Mangi.
Junior monkey!
Yeah.
He's there in the lake! He want to eat!
Yeah. Labi tu kan menang bilong.
And the monkey start to hear it like fire.
Yeah.
Echo, eh?
Yeah.
Junior monkey!
Yeah. Yeah, me batu ya. Buka.
Junior monkey!
Yeah.
Yes!
Yeah.
Fish in the water!
Yeah.
He want to eat!
Yeah.
Same time,
Yeah.
he looked to the water
Yeah.
and said, "Hey,
Yeah.
that tripping came!
Andre.
That tripping came!" And he pointing at the crocodile. Listen, when we came here, you was small.
Yeah.
Now you bigger and Buddha. Listen. And he was pointing and he was laughing. Oh, listen. When we came here, you was smaller. Now you bigger and Buddha.
Tirimo ngori.
Di bukan orang mangkir sing.
Mate batu.
Di nang nona sing sudu. Ya sing tal ngai mate kina.
Di tangan ni baru tangan ay talo ha na mataka pinang ni ko santo ang na tiri sa ko jin sarang ay. O ka kami maru tangan talo ko ni sare di crocodile.
Yo. And no. He want to make full of the lizard.
Alright.
Eh?
Yeah.
Lizard.
Yeah.
Lizard. When we came here, you were small. Now you bigger and Buddha.
Dawal sa sa may mabulat ka ni Amelia Vax. Birthday wish ya. Ano ni nakatiyan ni Sidney Brown. Magawa sa ulo kalimuro yang bagi batang ngoro batiki mangkir na sini kuwa. Buana buat cibarata. To, belum nakam. Sara. Melina dalam totokan dona video ni kani arkes. Ko on juga na gym nuri di mone buat cibarata kampanye ko. Tata wiri searching ikian.
Ronjina.
Iya unjina.
I saw someone like dancing like the camera.
Yeah.
And he was not focus, eh?
Yeah.
And he was siding to the camera and dance, eh?
Dona kato kana. Kila dona kana bebe dormo chubuka.
Mone, man.
Siwere handa benaka. O Noela makana na dangi himbulu benaka. Andila na itoko. Do bula benaka mai naturanga. Isa do me katalau.
Yes.
Magret dangi nimbua. Pina boleh besar na siya matumay. Na ouch palang isu ano mataka benaka dai.
Ronga dari kami kasarbekan if you interesting in this live video out
Alright.
show this morning,
Right.
just press 1 likes,
Alright.
1 reaction.
Alright.
If not the likes,
Yeah.
just put a big heart.
Right.
Because monkey's birthday today,
Yeah.
and just put a share.
Right.
Put a share so that other monkeys
Yeah.
can hear this monkey story.
Right.
Hey,
Monkey.
monkey.
Yeah.
Lizard.
Lizard.
Lizard. When we came here, you were smaller.
Yeah.
Now you big Buddha.
Na boleh besar punjes.
Amelia Vax, thank you so much for the heart.
New cream biscuits so creamy in every bite. Yaumi ka galong bula.
Kurumundo ko.
Hey, turang tadi gue.